The Top County, proudly brought to you by LAP Fund. LAP Fund, secured retirement. From this hilly topography, they rise early in the morning. Quite early in age, they rise and rise to the world stage of fame as Kenya basks in the glory of their achievements. Welcome to the county of Elgeyo Marakwet, the home of champions. Undoubtedly, the best high-altitude training location in the world.
Elgeyo Marakwet basically is referred to as the county of champions. Initially, we were champions in sports. But I want to say that Elgeyo Marakwet now we are champions in almost everything that we do. We are champions in athletics, we are champions in healthcare, we are champions in education, we are champions in tourism, and many other things.
Indeed, since it became a county, thanks to the current devolved system of governance, Elgeyo Marakwet is on the fast lane of implementing projects to benefit the residents.
Devolution has trickled down resources, and county governments are so rapid in response into any need in the community level. We put resources where it's really required by our population. So devolution is the aim thing. Indeed, in my perspective, counties have been able to do things that have never been done for 50 years.
And there are natural attributes that have ensured that Elgeyo Marakwet is ahead of its pack.
We have a lot of resources, especially when we talk about the water. I think we supply almost all our neighboring counties with water. An example, the whole of Eldoret town gets its water from Elgeyo Marakwet County.
The county government of Elgeyo Marakwet has taken a deliberate decision to market the county as the preferred sports tourism destination. This has promoted the local economy.
We have renowned athletes like Mo Farah, Paula Radcliffe. All of them, they train in Iten. Recently, you even saw the First Lady. She came before, when she was preparing for the First Lady Half Marathon, she came to train in Elgeyo Marakwet. All these athletes stay in Iten, so basically they consume what we produce in the county. They stay in residential houses in the county.
As a county, we are working on promoting our athletes. We don't charge anything those people who come here to train. We are promoting it because in the long run, we want to partner with the Department of Tourism to promote sports tourism, because we also have paragliding, which is a very rare sport. We create a conducive environment. We partner with the security teams to ensure that they have a secure training grounds.
This county is actually a very good county. It is known as the home of champions. And I came here like before I ran my second world champion title, which was 2011. So I was here 2010 till now. So I find that it is a very good place. Actually, the atmosphere is so good. High altitude. It is known worldwide.
In the provision of healthcare, the county of Elgeyo Marakwet is a success story in curbing mortality rates. Several counties have been to Elgeyo Marakwet to learn one or two things on matters health.
We are in Elgeyo Marakwet for a benchmarking tour on issues of health, particularly on the topic of maternal mortality rates. We've seen Elgeyo Marakwet has the lowest in Kenya, so we have chosen to benchmark here.
With the Iten District Hospital now upgraded to the status of a referral hospital, the county government of Elgeyo Marakwet has employed more health workers and improved pay packages. Modern equipment has been acquired to address identified challenges.
About 33-34% of our budget is dedicated to health, and that's the highest allocation to any other department. We have a total of 7 hospitals, 1 county referral and 6 sub-county hospitals spread out in our 4 sub-counties. Then we have 21 health centers. In addition to that, we have 89 dispensaries.
This early childhood development block at Chepiomot Primary School in Kapiego Ward has enabled these young ones transit from these dilapidated classrooms. In just the last 2 years, the county government of Elgeyo Marakwet has built 20 ECD blocks. The county government has also spent 30 million shillings on bursaries. It has also stepped up vocational training centers that instill residents with the relevant skills.
Our county rebranded the former youth polytechnics and we gave the name vocational training centers. We have 10 active vocational training centers in the county. Last financial year, 2013-2014, we did 4 dormitories, 1 per sub-county. And this financial year, we are doing 4 workshops, that's 1 per sub-county.
It is believed that agriculture is the backbone of our country. For Elgeyo Marakwet, the narrative is the same. It accounts for almost 80% of household incomes in this county. The county has started selling seeds for cash crops like tea, coffee, pyrethrum, mangoes, amongst others, at a program dubbed Buy One, Get One Free.
In animal production, since the coming in of county government, we are going to spend about 8 million in artificial insemination. And the county government has subsidized the conventional sex semen, the sex semen and conventional semen. We buy the sex semen at 6,000, but the county government is selling it to the farmers at the cost of 500. And for the conventional, we buy it at 2,000, but we sell it to the farmer at a cost of 200 shillings.
Here, men and women are at work under the employment initiative christened Kazi Kwa Vijana. This initiative by the county government creates employment by paying wages to the youth. This one under construction is Nyawa to Kewapso Road. Footbridges have also been erected by the county government of Elgeyo Marakwet, like this one at Chemoibon. Before its construction, this is what the residents of Chemoibon relied on for a bridge.
Specifically in our department, we've done road networks, approximately 350 kilometers last year, the last financial year. This year we are targeting 400 kilometers. We're also doing basic simple access roads in the village, using KKV program, Kazi Kwa Vijana, which has had a lot of impact in the community. Because what is important is access to every village.
Solar-powered security lights have been installed in several market centers, like here in Chebororwa. On Matters Information, Communication and Technology, ICT, in the last financial year, a project to connect all the county offices through the internet was completed.
Elgeyo Marakwet County was ranked the second best county in ICT. In our county public service board, we are using a recruitment portal where we've gone paperless.
Currently we have 1,800 employees. Of course, going by our services, the number of staff is still inadequate. Just like other counties, we are a growing county and we still require to even grow some functional areas.
At the moment, the county government of Elgeyo Marakwet is renovating facilities at the Limoy National Park, including putting up new ones.
We have a Tabar Dam that was constructed to the tune of 2.8 million. We have a road opening in the park, which costed us around 3.4 million road openings in the reserve. We have constructed toilet facilities within the reserve, costing us about 1.5 million.
The county government of Elgeyo Marakwet has launched several water projects.
In the last financial year, 2013-14, we supported a number of projects within the county to the tune of about 65 million. And again, this financial year, we are supporting another about 30 million of projects. Then again, we have greening of schools to the tune of 5 million.
Last year, the county government of Elgeyo Marakwet spent 800 million shillings on projects out of the 2.4 billion shillings budgetary allocation.
In last financial year, we had a resource envelope of 2.6 billion. Out of the 2.6 billion, 800 million was put into projects. This financial year, we have a resource envelope of 3.2 billion. Out of that, 1.3 is under development.
The County Assembly of Elgeyo Marakwet is as well playing a critical role of legislation.
Year 2013 was basically we were doing a lot to do with approval of the staff that is required, that the law requires that it should get the approval of the assembly. And that is why the stability of the county assembly, the county government of Elgeyo Marakwet, is as a result that we moved in collaboration with our governor. We moved with speed to put in place necessary structures to allow the county to move.
According to the governor, these projects are just but the tip of the iceberg.
We are foreseeing a county where healthcare will not be an issue anymore. Education will be like affordable to every Elgeyo Marakwet citizen, and also on food security. We want to be a food sufficient county.
LAF Fund has had a very good relationship with all the counties across the country, and we have a membership of 25,000 members drawn from various counties, all the 47 counties. LAF Fund is established by an act of parliament. It's a statutory body established by an act of parliament. Hence, you can be assured of the safety of your funds. At LAF Fund, we are able to pay you your retirement benefits within 10 days upon your retirement. So this is as good as money in the bank.
LAF Fund, I want to thank them for partnering with counties, and we also want to assure them that we'll work together, because they are doing a good work in ensuring that our pensions are well taken care of, and we are happy. And Elgeyo Marakwet is proud to be one of the counties working with LAF Fund.
The Top County, proudly brought to you by LAP Fund. LAP Fund, secured retirement.